Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. As the festive season is going on, let's do a festive makeup tutorial using Myglamm products. To start with, I'll be using Myglamm Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. They have newly launched these serums and I'm in just love with this one. It just makes your skin hydrated, soft and supple. Following this step, I'll be using Myglamm Tinted Perfection Base Primer and Pore Minimiser. This is one of the best primers I've ever used. To be really honest, because this primer makes your skin like awesomely smooth, and the base is perfect for applying foundation and all sort of heavy makeup. For foundation, I'm using Myglamm Pose HD foundation and the shade I'm using is Warm Porcelain. This is not that heavy base I'm creating. I'm just making it look natural. And to set my foundation, I'm using Myglamm Pose HD Banana Powder. Look at the pan. I use it very often. Now comes the turn of my brows. For that, I'm using Myglamm Stay Defined High Definition Brow Powder. Now let's do our eyes. For that, I'm using Popxo Makeup Collection Hot Mess 4 Eyeshadow Kit, and I'll be using this bright yellow for my lids. I'll be applying this shade all over my lids in the both eyes. Just look at the color, this is awesome. Wow. And to create a holographic look, I'm using Myglamm Lit Lip and Eye Sparkle in the shade Crown Jewels. I'll be using my finger to dab these sparkles on my lid area. I'll be just dabbing these on the center of my lid. Oh wow. I don't know whether my camera is capturing the exact sparkling eye look, but it looked amazing. And to line up my eyes, I'm using Stay Defined Liquid Eyeliner. This 2-in-1 product is just awesome, guys. I won't make my wing much longer, I'll just make it short and a cute little wing. That's it. Now it's time for lashes, and for that I'm using Myglamm Twisted Volumizing and Curling Mascara. I bought this mascara when it was launched and I'm just loving this mascara since then. And my eye makeup is ready. Now it's turn for some blush, and for that I'm using Myglamm K Play Peach Blush in the shade 03 Sweet Peach. It smells yummy. And look at the shade, oh my god. I'm obsessed with this blush actually. And now it's the time for the last step, and that is liquid lipstick in the shade Booty Call. This is one of my favorite shade from this range, guys. You can apply it with any sort of dress you are wearing. Maybe it's traditional or you're wearing a modern attire. It looks amazing with everything. And my makeup is done. Now let's add some accessories. I'll be back within a second. Ooh, I'm ready, guys. How's it? Do write in the comment section about what you liked in my look and what you wanted that I would have added anything else more. Do like the video if you like the tutorial, and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.